Hello, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I hope everyone's doing well today. I'm doing a quick flip through for my Etsy listing. There's a new journaling kit that I had to separate into two kits because the KBs were high. They are full of detail, so they're pretty vivid and really nice. But I had to separate them into two kits, unfortunately, because Etsy only lets you upload a certain amount of KBs per kit. So the name of the kit is Fairies and Flowers. One kit is for the journaling pages, and there are 14 journaling pages. And then the add-on kit, the ephemera pages, there are 7, and that is a separate kit. So I will show you the journaling pages first. The colors are in a pretty soft pink, and there are a lot of vintage elements within this kit. A lot of vintage fairies and vintage flower fairies. If you like fairies, you'll love this kit. And I'm going to have some fun projects coming up with this kit. Love the vintage flower fairies. So cute. Very florally. You can see all the vivid detail. Prints beautifully. And then these are the back pages, but you can also use them as the front. Some lace dyed avocado paper. And that is the color of the pink, is like an avocado dyed pink. And then here are the 7 ephemera pages for the add-on kit. Here's the belly bands. Beautiful tags. Here's a library pocket and card. There's also sentiments, some fussy cuts. Here are some pockets. And a file folder. Vintage journaling cards. And then with this kit, I made these. They can either be labels, embellishments, page embellishments, or you can use them as pockets and tucks. So that's it for this flip through. I will place a link in the description box below of both the journaling pages kit and the ephemera add-on kit. And I do hope you check out the links. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and all that good stuff. Until the next video. Bye-bye, friends.